Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Page. Today, let us look at blockchain in the gaming industry. ChatGPT. Blockchain in the gaming industry, revolutionizing play and ownership. 1. Introduction. Transformative technology. Blockchain technology is reshaping the gaming industry by introducing new possibilities for ownership, in-game economies, and player experiences. 2. Ownership and digital assets. True ownership. Blockchain allows players to truly own their in-game assets as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, giving them the ability to buy, sell, and trade assets both within and outside of games. Interoperability. NFTs can be interoperable across different games and platforms, enabling players to use their assets in multiple virtual worlds. 3. In-game economies. Decentralized economies. Blockchain-powered games can have decentralized economies where in-game currencies and assets are governed by smart contracts, allowing for transparent and trustless transactions. Player-driven markets. Players can participate in creating and shaping in-game economies by trading assets, setting prices, and participating in governance decisions. 4. Enhanced gaming experience. Player empowerment. Blockchain technology empowers players by giving them control over their digital assets, fostering a sense of ownership and investment in the game. Unique experiences. Games can offer unique experiences through blockchain technology, such as provably rare items, player-created content, and play-to-earn mechanics. 5. Play-to-earn gaming. Economic incentives. Play-to-earn games reward players with cryptocurrency or in-game tokens for their time and effort spent in the game, creating new opportunities for earning income through gaming. Financial inclusion. Play-to-earn models can provide financial opportunities to players in regions with limited access to traditional banking systems, fostering greater financial inclusion. 6. Examples of blockchain games. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn game where players collect, breed, and battle digital creatures called Axies. Players can earn cryptocurrency rewards by participating in battles and completing tasks. Decentraland. Decentraland is a virtual reality platform built on Ethereum where users can buy, sell, and develop virtual land and assets. Players have full ownership and control over their digital assets within the platform. 7. Challenges and considerations. Scalability. Scalability remains a challenge for blockchain games, as the technology must support large numbers of transactions and users without sacrificing performance. User experience. Blockchain games must provide seamless and intuitive user experiences to attract mainstream adoption, including easy onboarding, smooth gameplay, and clear explanations of blockchain concepts. 8. Future outlook. Mainstream adoption. As blockchain technology matures and scalability improves, blockchain games have the potential to reach a broader audience and become mainstream entertainment options. Integration with traditional gaming. We may see increased integration between blockchain technology and traditional gaming platforms, leading to hybrid experiences that blend the best of both worlds. 9. Conclusion. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the gaming industry by providing new opportunities for ownership, economies, and player experiences. As blockchain games continue to evolve and mature, they have the potential to transform how we play, interact, and monetize gaming experiences in the digital age.